Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest Princess Stella. Pet the cat to make her happy like this. First, just go to talk to Mrs. Joan to accept the quest like this. And after that, just head over to your cat like this. Next, just pet your cat by tapping on it and give it some pat until a notification appears, until you get the notifications like this, like the kitty feels comfortable or something similar. And then when that notifications pops up, it means the quest requirement is complete. Like this, you can see it, the quest is complete. And next, you just need to confirm to Mrs. Joan again to confirm the quest. And then, however, sometimes your cat won't always respond happily when you pet it. And to increase the chance of getting a happy reaction, just make sure to feed your cat first and then just try petting it again. And if it still doesn't work, you can also play with your cat first and then pet it again afterwards. And usually after doing this, the overjoy notifications will appear. And once you get it, simply complete the quest and go back to Mrs. John to confirm it. And okay, that's it. Your gossip quest is done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.